जो आज इस मशीन की अनवीलिंग हुई है, हाउ डू यू लुक एट इट?
So first of all, I would like to thank Mr. Dhruv Sood and Mr. Arun Gupta for bringing out such a technology into the market, and in collaboration with our family, which is Aqua Private Limited. So the new generation, I think this is a moment where we need to look up to the technology that is being introduced to India, where the output and efficiency of a particular machine is, is increasing. And looking at the other machines which are there in the industry, where they are just moving on 180 degrees, and this is a 360 degrees where it is actually working. So I think this is a very good development for the market and for the industry. And also, since it's Make in India, that is a very big development and achievement for the country.